Checking your transaction history on the Glint app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your past transactions. Step 1. Open the Glint app. Launch the Glint app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in with your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Account section. Once you are in the app, locate and tap on the Account or Profile section. This is usually found in the bottom navigation menu. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Account section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Transactions. Tap on this option to view your past transactions. Step 4. Review your transactions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you need to find a specific transaction, use any available filters or search functions within the transaction history section. This will help you quickly locate the information you need. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Glint. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your spending and account activity.